Hey there! Dive into the dramatic conclusion of the Gospel of Mark with chapters 13 to 16, where we witness a powerful narrative filled with prophecy, betrayal, and resurrection. Chapter 13 kicks off with Jesus predicting the destruction of the temple in Jerusalem, an event echoing the trials and tribulations his followers will face. This prophecy serves as a call for faith and vigilance in times of adversity.
As we move to chapter 14, the tension escalates. Jesus shares the Last Supper with his disciples, establishing the covenant of his blood.
Here, a poignant moment unfolds as he predicts Judas's betrayal, emphasizing human frailty and divine foreknowledge. Despite his sorrow, he submits to God's will, illustrating submission and obedience. Chapter 15 catapults us into the trial and crucifixion of Jesus. Pontius Pilate, pressured by the crowd, condemns him to death. Mark details Jesus' agony, emphasizing his solitude and abandonment. But amid darkness, a centurion recognizes his true identity, declaring, "Truly this man was the Son of God." Mark 15:39. Women disciples discover the empty tomb, greeted by an angel who declares, "He has risen. He is not here." Mark 16, verse 6. Resurrection transforms despair into hope, affirming Jesus' victory over death.
As the women spread the news, the chapter and the gospel closes with a profound sense of awe and responsibility to share this transformative message. These chapters in Mark vividly encapsulate themes of prophecy, sacrifice, and triumph, revealing the heart of the Christian faith. Through these dramatic events, we are invited to explore profound truths and enduring hope, urging us to reflect deeply on their significance in our own lives.